Hi students, happy to see you again. Today I would like to explain about the reason behind less rainfall in Thar Desert or the western part of Rajasthan. See, we know pretty well 70% of the rainfall in India received from southwest monsoon winds. Why the Thar Desert or the western Rajasthan they remain exception? Here, one mountain range is the main reason behind the less amount of rainfall in the western part of Rajasthan. See, we know pretty well Bay of Bengal branch of southwest monsoon, they are blocked by the loftiest mountain in the northeast and be the reason for the high amount of rainfall. Similarly, here if you look at the west, it is opposite. The Arabian Sea branch of southwest monsoon, after hitting the Kerala coast, they proceed towards Karnataka, Goa, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Saurashtra area and go further north. If you look at the eastern part of Rajasthan, the presence of Aravalli mountain, they play a very vital role. How? See, usually if you take imagine this is a monsoon winds, they travel like this, and when there is a mountain they are blocked, either they are giving rainfall in this area or they take a right turn or left turn, right, and giving the rainfall in this area or in that area. The same principle applies for the northeastern part of India for Bay of Bengal branch of southwest monsoon. Here in the western side, what happens to the Arabian Sea branch of southwest monsoon? Imagine, unlike the Himalayas, here eastern part of Rajasthan, the direction of Aravalli mountain and the direction of Arabian Sea branch of southwest monsoon, they are parallel. The Aravalli mountain, they run parallel to the direction of Arabian Sea branch of southwest monsoon. So when they come from Arabian Sea, when they cross Gujarat, now they are coming in the eastern part of Rajasthan. These Aravalli mountain, because of its presence like this, either they take a left turn, either they go on the left hand side of Aravalli mountain or they go in the right hand side of Aravalli mountain and proceed further. I repeat, the Arabian Sea branch of southwest monsoon, they come and they go to the left of Aravalli mountains or in the right of Aravalli mountains, they proceed further, and Aravalli mountain, they don't block the Arabian Sea branch of southwest monsoon. In case if Aravalli mountain is present like this, then the Arabian Sea branch of southwest monsoon would have been blocked, take a left turn and give a rainfall to the Thar desert area. But here the real case is the presence of mountain is like this. They run parallel to the direction of Arabian Sea branch of southwest monsoon. That is why they are not blocked. They proceed further and reach the Indo-Gangetic plain. This is exactly the reason why Thar desert or the western part of Rajasthan, the rainfall amount is far less. I hope you would have understood the concept. Thank you so much.